Good morning, students. Today I teach 9th standard, second unit, second lesson. I can't climb this anymore. This story was written by Ruskin Bond. He was born on 19th May 1934. He became a British but to get the award of Indian author in India. He is famed for his work for children's literature to encourage the Indian Council for Child Education has acknowledged his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Degra. Our Trees Still Grow in Degra is one of the greatest novels. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. He was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan also. He is a perfect writer. He has written over 500 short stories, essays and novels. His popular novel, The Blue Umbrella, was made into a Hindi film and was awarded the National Film Award for the Best Children's Film in 2007. Recent means pedigree. Renowned means famed. Promoting means encouraging. Acknowledged means recognized. Prolific means plentiful, perfect. It is a simple yet engrossing short story. The story underlines a very basic and urgent theme of human lives, searching the memories of old days by going back to the places of youth and childhood and finding those people who once were part of our life every day. Now let us see the lesson. He stood on the grass verge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. It hasn't changed much. The old house built with solid blocks of granite wasn't altered at all. But there was a new outhouse and there were fewer trees. He was glad to see that the jackfruit tree still stood at the side of the building, casting its eyes on the wall. That means the author to stand on the grass rimmed by the side of the road and to look the old house garden wall. Mostly it wasn't changed. The granite old house hadn't changed, but the garden had a new outcrest and some new trees. He was so happy to see the jackfruit tree motionless, to stand at the side of the building shedding. It shad on the wall. Means rim. Altered means changed. Casting means shedding. A blessing rests on the house where the shadow of a tree falls. And so the present owners must also be receiving the tree's blessing. The spot where he stood there had once been a turnstile, and as a boy he would swing on it, going round and round until he was quite dizzy. Now the turnstile was gone, the opening walled up. Tall hollyhocks grew on the other side of the wall. That means he saw that the view. He remembered his grandma's stated, which house has a tree shadow, that house has a blessing reposes, so and so. Now the owner of the house should have receiving the tree's benediction. He stood on that place that had a one revolving gate. He has a bob, he would sway on it to become a giddy or faint. Still it had in the place had a big wall, and the wall had a full of hollyhocks. Hollyhocks means large showy flowers with European plants. What are you looking out one? Ingarbled voice come out. He searched where the voice came out. He saw 12 to 13 years one girl to stand in between the hollyhocks and to stare to see. That girl had a very cute eyes and long black hair. Disembodied means incorporeal. Staring means very seriously to see. I am looking at the house. Is it yours? He asked. The author said he was watching a house and cousin. Is it yours house? No, it is my father's. Why? Why do you want to buy it? And what does your father do? He is only a colonel. Only a colonel. The girl replied, not at all. It is her father's house. And cousin, why do you want to buy it? Why do you want to buy it? The author inquired. Her father's details. The girl answered. Her father was a only colonel. Colonel means commissioned military officer. He astonished. and asked, "Only a colonel," she slightly told. Now he became a brigadier, means general officer. Now he became a brigadier. Brigadier means general officer, but only a colonel. The author the other laughed with loudly. The girl said, "It is not a joke. My mom only told me that." It was on the tip of his tongue to make a witty remark. Perhaps that is why he is still a colonel. The author needed to something with humorous, but he wouldn't to give crime. They located both sides of the wall and estimating each other. The girl asked the author, "Do you want to buy?" But the author denied to buy the house. The girl said, "All right, you won't like to buy the house, then what are you looking for here?" The author replied, "Before 25 years, as a boy, I resided in the house as teens after my grandma died to sell this house and departed." All details and asked to wish to acquire, but having money, she thought that the author was now not wealthy. The author told that he won't like to purchase the house, just he needed to see again, and asked how many years lived here. The girl answered, "Just 3 years only," and called the author, came inside and cast it very closely. The author inquired her parents' opinion. She told they were in the club, and she told they didn't care for her always. She alone and allowed her friends and enjoyed herself. The author asked with doubt, "Even elder friends also? That means youth also?" She questioned, "What's your age?" He responded and told his age and demonstrated to climb up the wall fast. Uprising means richness. Went away means departed. To live means resided. Prosperous means wealthy or richness. He demonstrated to climb up the wall fast, but he can't, and to breathe laboriously. He whispered himself, a matured man flying on a swing used by circus acrobats. The girl needed to help and gave her hand to him. The author slipped down in a flower bed and smashing the hollyhock stem. Those sat near to him to be silent. The author closed his eyes and remembered his childhood memories of grandpa's watch, melody music, Bulgarians. Both are walked and sat on the stone bench under the mango tree. Once upon a time, his grandma used his bench to take rest. Instead of trimming the roses and paper flowers, the author said that he won't like to go inside the house, so to sit both there. That means birds, birds like parrots sound and cars starting sound. Told once he climbed the jackfruit tree. The girl told the author, "My parents didn't mind you, so if you like to climb, carry on to climb." The author said, "Enough to climb the wall. Here to sit and speak something. I discussed about my past. This is my favorite place and favorite tree." This tree had one hole in center place that had some valuable things. "What is that?" she inquired. "Not for nothing. I had collected books, some ancient coins, and marbles." "Is a crow. When crow liked anything to collect and store in the nest with safe. That wise. I also collected my liked things and stored in the hole. I stored one valuable things. That once my grandpa's iron cross. That is, his grandpa got the iron cross from a German soldier in the First World War. The girl asked him, "Now you have that?" The author replied, "Not at all. I put in the jackfruit tree's hole. When I left his house, I so excited to pack my things and goodbye to my neighbors to went to the ship. At the time, I totally forget about it." She calmly asked him, "Now also you hoped that trees hollow had the things?" The author confidently said, "25 years passed. If nobody to find that, certainly that things there." The girl asked by wish to see that. the author told. I shouldn't climb the tree. The girl said, I knew about you, so I shall go and see. You just sit and wait for me. Heavily means laboriously. Trapeze means a swing used by circus acrobats. Muttered means whispered. Slithered means slipped. Chattering means smashing. Pruning means trimming. Bougainvillea means paper flowers. Chimming means melody music. But garrulous means birds like parrot sound. Cracking means starting. Tolden climbed the tree and found something and to make loud voice and disguised she ran down quickly and her hand extended discolored old metal. Barefoot means discalced. Outstretched means extended. Rusty means discolored. Next class we had to see remaining. Thank you.